The iPhone 17e is shaping up to be Apple's last big attempt to fix its struggling mid-range lineup, and leaks suggest the company is finally giving this series a real chance. After the iPhone 16e launched with weak sales in many markets and mixed reactions worldwide, analysts compared it to Apple's past experiments like the Mini, Plus, and the short-lived iPhone. According to Weibo leaker, Fixed Focus Digital, Apple knows the E-series is on thin ice, which is why the 17e is getting meaningful upgrades instead of small tweaks. Apple wants this phone to sit perfectly between the standard and Pro models, something it has failed to do for years. Reports say production has already begun, and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman confirms the launch window: spring 2026, most likely February or March. Apple is separating it from the full flagship lineup, which will focus only on Pro models and possibly the first foldable iPhone. This timing also helps Apple avoid supply chain pressure and gives the 17th space to shine as a budget-friendly option. Early leaks describe a phone that looks much more modern than the 16e. Apple is expected to add the dynamic island, replacing the old notch, and offer a 6.1-inch or 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and up to 2000 nits brightness. This alone makes it a big jump from the previous model. Inside, the phone may run on the A19 Bionic chip built on a 3nm process, paired with 8GB RAM, which means smoother multitasking and full support for Apple Intelligence and iOS 19. Storage will likely start at 128GB, with options going all the way to 1TB, fixing the limited storage problem of the 16e. The camera setup stays simple: a single 48-megapixel main lens with OIS and PDAF. Similar to the iPhone 16's performance, there's no ultra-wide or telephoto to keep costs down, but leaks mention a better 12-megapixel front camera with upgraded portrait features. Battery life may rise to around 4,500 mAh, with 20 watt-wired and 15-watt MagSafe. Charging finally coming to the E-series. Connectivity also takes a big step forward with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, 5G with mmWave, and an IP68 rating. Some sources mention under-display Face ID, a slim aluminum frame, and ceramic shield protection. However, to maintain pricing, Apple may skip features like the Action button and always-on display. As for the release date, leaks point to spring 2026, and pricing rumors range from $499 to $650, with higher models reaching up to $799. If Apple gets this balance right, the iPhone 17e might finally rescue the E-series, or it could mark the end of Apple's most unpredictable experiment.